Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is MOESOON. I record videos on faith, beauty, lifestyle. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. You are the real MVP. So in today's video, I just wanted to show how I installed this ponytail from Vanessa Hair Company. This is their Crinkle ponytail. It's a drawstring ponytail that has two clips, one in the front, one in the back. So I'm just going to show you guys how I installed it, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, I just took out my flat twist that I had in my hair for like about a week. I am just going to try and detangle my hair and comb through it just to prep the hair for the ponytail. I'm going to spray a little bit of water to help with the comb going through my hair a bit easier. So I'm just going to detangle and get ready to apply a moisturizer to my hair. So I have fully combed it all out. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of water into the air just so that it can saturate the ends of my hair and around the perimeter of my hair as well. I do not want my hair to be fully wet. I just want it to be damp, a little bit damp, to absorb some of the moisturizer and the gel that I'm going to be using for the ponytail. So I'm just applying the moisturizer all over my hair just to re-add moisture to my hair as the gel will be going on top. So now I would add the Gorilla Snot Glue to the perimeters of my hair. Like I said before, I do not want my hair to be completely drenched with the gel. I just want to gel up my perimeter. So right now I'm applying the Gorilla Snot gel to my hair and then brushing it up as well. Looking at the position of where I want my ponytail to be, I am going to use a hair tie to secure the first band. Now it might look like my hair is a little loose in the front. It's intentional because I don't want my ponytail to be extremely tight. I'm not going for an extremely slick bun. I just want something that all my hairs will be able to gel together. I'm just making sure that there's no hair sticking out, and I'm applying another hair tie just to secure my ends. Now, as I was about to put on the scarf to lay it down, I realized it was still a bit loose at the base, so I added an additional hair tie to the base of the hair. I am going to tie my hair down with two scarves because usually when I do one, and because it's like a satin silky scarf, it slips off in the middle of the night. So as I tie two, I know that, at least one of the scarf will be secure and be able to tie my hair down. And off to bed I go. Now it's the next morning. I have already done my makeup, and of course, yes, scarf flew off. Now I'm just getting ready to take down the scarf. As you can see, everything is all together. My edges are laid, and I'm gonna apply the drawstring ponytail. Now this drawstring ponytail has two clips, one in the front, one in the back, and an extra strand of hair just to wrap around the ponytail after you secured it on top of your own bun. Now what I did here, which I didn't show in the video, that extra piece to wrap around, I tied it into like a knot, and that is what you guys are seeing there right now. It looks like it's a little clump. That's the extra piece to wrap around the bun, the ponytail. So now I have secured the ponytail on top of my bun with the 2 clips, one in the front, one in the back, and I have drawn the elastic string in the back to secure the bun. Now I'm just going to wrap the additional piece around my bun. And there you have it, you guys, a beautiful ponytail. I bought this hair from my local supply beauty store. I think it was like $12 or $13. I really like the texture. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. If you want to try it out, please try it out. Look for it online. It's the Vanessa hair company. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please comment below, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.